Okay, once again you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. For those that are coming for the first time, those that are locating my channel for the first time, I say kudos to you. I appreciate your coming. Thanks so much. Okay, and I want to appreciate all the returning subscribers. You are awesome people. You are really welcome. Welcome. Okay, let's dive into this quick production. I'll be producing hand wash for home use. I mean DIY hand wash, the one you can quickly do at home yourself. You know, the hand wash, the liquid form make it convenient and all that. So what are the things I'll be needing? Of course, I need my bar soap, which I once made. You can use any of your choice. Okay, so here I have 100 grams of bar soap, and I have here 300 grams of water that I'll be using, and I have here glycerin. The glycerin will help moisturizing the hand and keeping it from every inconveniences of germs. Okay, and I will need my grater to grate the soap. So let's quickly dive into it. Just a quick reminder, I have this ebook where we have recipes for soap making, detergent and all that, and in it I have challenges that one faces in soap production and how to overcome them, and some questions bothering your mind and how to get rid of it. With this book you can go on and be the pro of yourself in making soap without bothering to ask questions somewhere. And of course I have made it convenient for us there for our chemical vendors. I have some of the addresses there, and of course if you're interested in taking your product to the next level, you need the NAFDAC registration, especially for those in Nigeria. You can easily get that. The office is there. Okay, so what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to grate this soap. I will grate it so that it will be easier to melt on fire quickly. Okay, I want to use the smallest side of it so that it will be convenient. Okay, so you just grate your soap like this. You can use anything to grate it, I wish. Okay, you can go on and on like this. Okay, let me see the one that is most convenient for me. I think this one will be, so that it can come out quickly and then melt quickly. Any one is okay. Make your choice. If you get something like this, it will be very good. It will be, so you can go on and leave this. Okay, and then I also run online classes where I train people. Okay, where I train people on how to make the soap, detergent. Okay, you have your choice of which one. Okay, so you can go on like this, grating it. You can see. So by the time I begin to heat it now, it will be convenient. I don't have to put the whole soap like that. I have to grate it. Okay, so you can see my number on the screen. Do where to contact me, always you want. We have the group, the general group WhatsApp line, and we have the one for one-to-one training, advanced training. Okay, anyone you want. You just want the household cleaning agent, you want the aspect of cream, so we get it covered. So you can just go ahead and grate your soap like that. You remember we are grating 100 grams. Making soap It's not all that difficult. With my videos, you find it very simple. One of the subscribers commented that the videos are so simple for him. He likes the simplicity of it. Thanks so much for that comment. What about you? Give a comment, give a constructive comment, and above all, join our online classes. This my ebook. You need it. You need it fast. You need it fast. You need it to make it handy. One of us asked for the hardcover, which I'm able to produce. Okay, if you want the ebook, if you want it hardcover, okay, so just DM me on the line and I will get it across to you. Okay, so this is the soap place. So the next thing, I'm going to pour it into the water. Okay, your consistency will determine how much you want the water to be. Okay, you know, I have here the ratio of 100 to 300. 100 gram of soap to 300 gram of water. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subject it to heat. I will give it double boiling, and then the double boiling I'm going to give it, I will avoid this from boiling. Okay, so just to melt it. Okay, let's get to it. Let's get to that, and I'll come back to show us step by. Don't go away. Okay, it's already on the fire, double boiling. So put water in the bowl and put this soap on it. So you mix it this way, just to make the soap flakes dissolved. So avoid this boiling. Just let it warm it, and then let all the flakes dissolve. Okay, you can leave this one while you watch it. Okay, I will leave it for some time, and then when it's okay, I'll bring it down. You can see this side. You can see how it's forming already, just to soften the place. Okay, I've brought it down from the fire. I don't want it to boil, so all the idea of the double boiler just to make the water warm, so that will help the soap to dissolve quickly. So what do I do now? I just cover it. When you cover it, the whole soap flakes will dissolve on its own. Then we come back, mix it, and add our glycerin. Okay, so okay, you can see it now. Okay, the consistency you want depend on you. Okay, so you can see it. Though I added about 300 grams of water to it because I found that it was thick. So make sure you break all the lumps. And so we're not going to put our glycerin. Okay, so I will just use about the cover of the bottle. Okay, pour it there and mix it. So your hand wash at home is set. You don't have to. I will drop in the description the recipe for the commercial hand wash. Okay, this was just an homemade hand wash, a quick one. So the recipe for the commercial one will be dropped in the description. Please check it. Please Please, if you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe. Hit on that notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first set of people to receive it. Thanks so much for having stayed till now. Look at it. Soap, hand washed soap is set. Okay, just put it in your dispenser and you're good to go. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to buy the ebook. Very, very important. Don't forget to buy it.